Na Planet TV že to sredo zvečer prihaja strastna in romantična serija Opojna, ljubezen.
This soap opera is all about love and passion and it's how we can basically go out there and fight for our dreams, and it's all about making it basically and making everything that we wish to come true.
Ljubezen glavnih igralcev v marsičem spominja na brezčasno ljubezensko zgodbo Romeja in Julije z zanimivim ljubezenskim trikotnikom.
Well, we have a very strong connection from the first time we see each other, and then we don't see each other again until a month later.
Η τελευταία γυναίκα που γουστάρω τόσο πολύ πριν από το γάμο μου. Θα την κρατήσω ενθύμιο.
Έκανες μια βλακεία. Κανείς δεν είναι τέλειος.
Snemanje telenovele je potekalo na čudovitih lokacijah in v očarljivih mestih.
Cyprus, Crete, a lot of places in Greece as well. We went to London, we went to Rome.
A zgodba telenovele Opojna, ljubezen je še zelo živa, saj jo še vedno snemajo.
Now we're talking about going to Austria. Maybe we're coming to Slovenia. Maybe this next 3-4 months if we're coming to film there.
Andreas je hkrati režiser in glavni igralec z vlogo očarljivega Achilleasa, za kar se mora zahvaliti scenaristki.
The scriptwriter knows me very well, and she picked out a lot of details from my own character and she put into this role, and it helped me.
Premierno si boste prvi del grške ljubezenske zgodbe lahko ogledali že to sredo ob 20. uri na Planet TV.